Hello guys, how you doing today? It's Ask It Wednesday. Yes, Ask Katinda. Now today Katinda will be kissing a crocodile. Yes, facing her fears. Now what is fear to you? Is it false evidence appearing real? Or is it forget everything and run? Or is it face everything and rise? Which one would you choose? The choice is yours. Anyway, I am facing my fears, kissing a crocodile right in its mouth, and believe me, that is scary, but I am trying to get over my fears and phobias of crocodiles. What do you guys think about that? Anyway, what is fear to you? Ask yourself, what am I afraid of? What is holding me back? What is it that stands in the way? Please like, comment, and share below, and let's see what you guys are up to. And remember, live your life with passion. Mwah.